Teletubbies. Big hug. Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play. The Teletubbies love flowers. "Eh-er," they say to the flower. The Teletubbies love bubbles. "Uh-oh," they say to the bubble. And the Teletubbies love each other. How do the Teletubbies show they love each other? They give big hugs. "Big hug?" Tinky Winky asks Dipsy. "Big hug," says Dipsy. Tinky Winky and Dipsy love each other. "Big hug?" Dipsy asks Lala. "Big hug," says Lala. Dipsy and Lala love each other. "Big hug?" Lala asks Po. "Big hug," says Po. Lala and Po love each other. "Big hug?" Po asks. Uh-oh, who does Po love? Tinky Winky. "Big hug?" Po asks Tinky Winky. "Big hug," says Tinky Winky. Po and Tinky Winky love each other. The Teletubbies love each other very much. Big hug! Big hug! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Teletubbies stories, check out my Teletubbies playlist. Thank you. See you next time.